Tuna Pasta Salad. You've got to try this one. It's super tasty. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 2 cups cooked pasta, penne, rotini, or macaroni work well. 1 can 5-6 oz tuna in water. Drained, half cup mayonnaise or Greek yogurt for a lighter option. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Optional for extra flavor. Half cup diced celery. Quarter cup diced red onion. Half cup sweet corn, canned or thawed frozen. Half cup diced bell pepper, any color, salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley or dill, optional, for garnish. Squeeze of lemon juice, optional, for freshness. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 25 minutes. 1. Cook the pasta in salted boiling water according to package directions, usually 8-10 minutes. Drain and rinse under cold water to cool quickly. 2. In a large bowl, mix together the tuna, mayonnaise, mustard, celery, red onion, corn, and bell pepper. 3. Add the cooled pasta to the mixture and stir well to combine. 4. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice to taste. 5. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley or dill if desired. 6. Cover and chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before serving to let the flavors blend. Best enjoyed fresh. Little tricks that make a big difference. 1. Rinse pasta in cold water after boiling to stop cooking and prevent sticking. 2. Use Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise for a healthier, tangy twist. 3. Add a little olive oil if the salad seems too dry after chilling. 4. A dash of paprika or black olives can give extra flavor. 5. Let it sit in the fridge overnight for an even better taste the next day. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal